Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Said Muhammad Diaul Haq. Now I will present my thesis. The title is The Effect of Using Video Vlog on the Speaking Skill of SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru. The first slide is background of the problem. According to Brown 2004, speaking is how people to communicate with each other. On the other hand, people should produce words orally. Improving speaking skill will help people to communicate with each other without misunderstanding and misapprehension easily. There are 5 components of speaking to be scored: pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, fluency, and comprehension. According to Eka Wulandari 2018, vlog is a word that is familiar to young people today. With the advancement of mobile technology, youth can now easily create video recording of themselves. They can share their daily activities, their personal life, and many other aspects of their life that they think will attract people to watch and then post them online. And the second slide is identification of the problem. Most students are less enthusiastic to speak English. This is because all of students at SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru feel English is very difficult subject. Most students have difficulty in choosing appropriate vocabulary. This is because all of students at SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru feel lazy to read English dictionary. Most students have difficulty in terms of English grammar. This is because all of students at SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru feel boring to study English grammar. And the next, most students have difficulty in terms of English pronunciation. This is because all of students at SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru feel difficult to pronounce English word. As we know, what we say in English is very different from what we write. Most students are afraid of making mistakes. This is because all of students at SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru feel worried to making mistakes because they are afraid when they get insulted by their friend. And the next, limitation of the problem. Given the fact that the researcher has limited knowledge, time, and fund for conducting this research, the researcher has to limit the research problem and focus only on the effect of making video vlog, especially personal vlog, on speaking skill of the 10th grade student of SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru. And the next slide, formulation of the problem. How is the speaking skill of the students taught without using the video vlog project at SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru? How is the speaking skill of students taught by using the video vlog project at SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru? Is there any significant difference between the speaking skill of students taught by using and without using the video vlog project at SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru? The next slide. Objective of the research: to find out how good it is the speaking skill of students taught without using a video vlog project at SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru. To find out how good it is the speaking skill of students taught with using a video vlog project at SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru. And the last, to examine whether or not there is a significant difference speaking skill of students taught with and without using the video vlog project at SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru. Significance of the research. These research findings are expected to be useful and valuable information for both students and English teacher at SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru for teaching and learning English in the future. Besides, these research findings are also expected to be valuable information for those who are concerned with the work of teaching and learning English as a foreign language. The researcher hopes that the result of the research can be used as a reference for those who want to conduct a relevant research in the future. And the next slide. Operational concepts. Variable X. Based on Brown 2004, first, the researcher divide the 10 grade students into two groups. Second, the researcher will conduct a pretest. Third, the researcher will observe the result of the students' pretest. After observing the result of the students' pretest, the researcher will give different treatment to the two classes. After the treatment process is complete, the researcher will conduct a post-test. After the post-test is done, the researcher will observe the result of the post-test. And the second, variable Y. The student can pronounce the word correctly in speaking. The students can apply grammatical use in speaking. The students can speak fluency. The students can apply the vocabulary variety in speaking. The students can comprehend the material or ideas in speaking. And the next, this is our research technique. This research technique is experimental research and quasi-experimental research. On this research, the researcher have 3 phases. There are pretest, treatment, and post-test. Time and location of the research. This research was conducted from April to June 2023 at SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru. This school located in Cipta Karya Street, Tampan Subdistrict, Pekanbaru City, Riau Province. And subject and object of the research. The subject of this research was the 10th grade students of SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru in the academic year 2022 and 2023. Besides, the subject of this research was the effect of using video vlog on students' speaking skill. The next slide. Population and sample. As we look at this slide, we have population. The population at this research is 265 students, and there are 10 classes in the SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru. 10 classes, 10 class of SMK Muhammadiyah 3 Pekanbaru. And our sample on this research is 30 students. There is 10 TKG 3 as experimental class and 10 TKG 1 as control class. And the next slide, technique of analyzing data. The data will be analyzed with an independent sample t-test. This study use a t-test because this study will compare the result of the test between pre-test and post-test from the control class and experimental class to find out whether there was a significant difference between using and without using the video vlog method in students' speaking skill. This data calculated by using SPSS 25 version. And the next slide. The statistic of pre-test and post-test score in experimental class. As we look at this table, the minimum score in the pre-test of experimental class is 46, the maximum score is 92, the mean score is 70.13, the standard deviation is 14.1.39. The minimum score in the post-test of experimental class is 46, the maximum score is 92, The mean score is 73.73. The standard deviation is 14.3. And the next slide. The statistic of pre-test and post-test score in control class. The minimum score in the pre-test of control class is 40. The maximum score is 72. The mean score is 59.33. The standard deviation is 8.19. The minimum score in the post-test of control class is 48. The maximum score is 80. The mean score is 65.33 and the standard deviation score is 6.61. And the next, test of normality. So the researcher doing the test of normality on this research to find out whether the data that researcher get is normal or not. And from the data on this slide, the researcher can take the conclusion. The data that researcher get is the normal data because the sick at Kolmogorov-Simirov and Shapiro-Wilk more than 0.05. And the next slide. Significant difference between pre-test and post-test score. As we look at this table, the score in the experimental class and control class is significantly different. So the researcher can take the conclusion. The video vlog give large effect to students speaking skill. The effect that the video vlog give to students speaking comprehension is 98%. And the next, the last slide is conclusion. The students speaking skill tahu using video vlog of SMK Muhammadiyah Tri Pekanbaru had lower score. The students speaking skill by using the video vlog of SMK Muhammadiyah Tri Pekanbaru had higher score than using traditional technique. From the analysis of the independent sample t-test formula, it could be concluded that the alternative hypothesis was accepted and null hypothesis was rejected. The percentage of effect size is 98%. It could be concluded that the video vlog gave large effect on student speaking skill of SMK Muhammadiyah Tri Pekanbaru. Okay everyone, maybe only it for me. Thank you for you all attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.